Hi community, this is my new app, Disease Predictor. This is an app to predict diseases like diabetes disease or kidney or other diseases. So to run this app, install and run this app, you need to clone this project and run docker compose build docker compose app. And now I will do this. So docker build, okay, building docker app. Okay, I will access management portal, username user, and execute the SQL code to create and training the models to do the predictions. Okay, so I need to create these views. Okay, diabetes view, kidney disease view, maternal risk view, distress disease or maternal risk will be predicted using the data from these views. Okay, now we need to create the models. Diabetes model, kidney disease model, and maternal risk model. And now we need to train our models. Train model, diabetes model. Will take 22 milliseconds to complete the training. So the seconds model to be trained, a kidney disease model. Okay, I will create the kidney disease model. Training kidney disease model, and the last model will be maternal risk model that I will train. Okay, training maternal risk model. Okay, all my models are ready to be consumed. Okay. And now, after training my models, I need to go to the user web app to using the predictions models. Okay. This is the app. I can predict diabetes using these parameters in this sample. For these parameters, I have like a high likelihood of diabetes. Okay. High. But if I will change some values to see the results. If it's high or low. Age change to 30. Blood pressure 60. BMI 26. Because skin, family background, pedigree, function, and pregnancy 1. Low, diabetes, because the age, blood pressure, and another indicators are better than the first case. For kidney, we have more parameters, more than 20 parameters. I have 2 samples to use. Okay, this sample will be high. Yes, high. But if change some parameters, age 23, blood glucose high, but if hypertension, no. Diabetes mellitus, no. I have no. Low, like huge. So it's very good to predict kidney disease. In the last sample, we have a maternal risk prediction. We have few parameters to predict maternal risk. So this is an example of a high risk. High. I got a low, and mid risk. I can change values to see if the results are high, mid, or low. Okay, so this is my app. Now we'll see the background, the backend code. As can you see, we have a predict disease rest app calling the select predict, setting my model name, the database parameters, properties, and execute. So I will get the predicted value and send to response. With this response, the screen render the results to the user. In this Angular app here, the Angular in the front end, we have we have diabetes. So diabetes serves calling the diabetes API, and the API returns these properties, and my HTML file are rendering input fields using these values, and show the results from the API request. Okay. For kidney and maternal risk, we have the same codes using respective data, maternal and in kidney. Okay, so this is my app. Enjoy it. Thanks.